What if you were locked inside the loudest room on Earth? Most people think their eardrums would just instantly pop, but the reality is much more terrifying. We are talking about an acoustic reverberation chamber where sound waves bounce off massive concrete walls indefinitely, easily cranking up to 150 decibels or more. At that level, you wouldn't just hear the noise, you would physically feel it. The sheer vibration of the sound waves would start violently shaking your internal organs, making you feel intensely nauseous and disoriented within seconds. Air would get trapped in your lungs, making it feel like your chest is collapsing, and prolonged exposure can literally cause your lung tissue to rupture. If you don't wear heavy-duty tactical hearing protection, the extreme acoustic pressure would permanently destroy your hearing in less than a second, potentially causing neurological shock. So, while it sounds like a crazy science experiment, staying in the world's loudest room for more than a couple of minutes isn't just deafening, it's quite literally lethal. Convert to speech,